Hello everybody, my name is Dhruv. I'm so happy today that I've cleared my BEC exam with flying colors. I scored 88 marks in BEC exam, and this was possible because of my parents' support and VGLD. My BEC trainer, Mr. Abhinav Raparia sir, was very supportive during his classes, and his exam tips has helped me a lot. Also, the Beckers with which VGLD has tied up offers the best class of study materials. The cloud platform of Beckers gives you an access to unlimited MCQs, testlets, and written communication tests, which I've extensively used for my preparations. Last but not the least, the VGLD team, the entire staff was very supportive whenever I faced any issues. CPA is an exam which gives you an insight to wide variety of information and knowledge pertaining to finance and accounts. It also opens up a world of opportunities for you once you clear your CPA and you're a member of the institute. Pursuing CPA with VGLD makes the course very easy, and the Becker's materials and the software helps you in the best preparation for your exams. So no doubt the VGLD, along in collaboration with the Beckers and the Grant Thornton, has provided me a lot of support for my preparation for the BEC exam. So to conclude, I thank my parents, the VGLD team, and the Beckers software as well for helping me achieve this today. Thank you.